Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to automate crypto borrowing strategy. CoinRabbit allows you to borrow stable coins or fiat using crypto as collateral, earn interest on deposited crypto, swap crypto directly into the platform. And the key to automation is setting rules and workflow so you do not have to manually monitor loans every day. Collateral selection is the BTC ETH safer, smaller altcoins, higher volatility. Open your browser and make sure you're into this coinrabbit.io and go to this loans in the left hand side here. And over here, what you have to do is make sure to choose the collateral of your USDT or BTC as well, which is the safest, smaller altcoins, higher volatility as well. And also target loan, select with this LTV lesser than the 50% or under the 50% and below the 50% over here. The less LTV is the 50%, make sure to choose the lesser one as well. And higher risk of liquidation if there's a higher LTV. And purpose of borrowed funds is the cash buffer, opportunistic buying or yield farming, earning APY as well. And also you can automate the monitoring in the dashboard here. You can find the LTV approaching liquidation, collateral price drops, loan maturity reminders as well. And you can keep a pre-funded stablecoins buffer to cover emergencies as well. And that is it. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. If you have any queries or confusion, please comment down and we will reach out to you very soon.